Continuing on in our notes, let's look at example 2. Here we'll be talking about temperature. Part A. At 1 a.m., the temperature was 50 degrees, but by 1 p.m., it was 90 degrees. Write and evaluate an expression that represents the difference in temperature. So for this problem, because it ended at 90, we're going to start with 90 and just simply look at finding the difference, which tells us we're going to be subtracting. And then it was 50. So from 90 degrees to 50 degrees, it's a difference of 40. And in the context of this situation, it was a 40-degree difference, and it rose by 40 degrees. And then for part B, at 8 a.m., the temperature was negative 14 degrees. By noon, the temperature was 12 degrees. Write and evaluate an expression that represents the difference in temperature. So for this one, we're starting at 12, ended at negative 14, and we want to know the difference, so therefore I'm subtracting. So it started at 12, the temperature ended at 12 degrees in this scenario, and then we're taking the difference of where it started, so minus negative 14. And as you can recall, we know that we can rewrite these problems by adding the opposite. So I can take 12 plus the opposite of negative 14, which is positive 14, and get 26. In this situation, the temperature rose by 26 degrees. We can also think about this visually, like if we were to think about a thermometer. It started at negative 14, so on a thermometer or like a number line, from negative 14 to 12 degrees Fahrenheit. So from negative 14 to positive 12, it's a difference of 26, or the 26 numbers between those 2 points.